Alright, good morning everybody. Today we're going to continue learning about plot, and we're going to continue going through our books, and we're going to tell everybody what the plot is of our book. So today we're going to be learning about plot. We're going to go over the assignment that we're going to do together. We're going to talk about your book, and then if you need any help, how you can ask me questions. Alright, so remember, what is plot? A plot is, in a book, it is the sequence of events that make up a story. So it's all of the action that takes place in your book. So things that you can look for, you're going to look for the introduction and the rising action of your story and the climax. So you're going to be climbing this mountain, and then what's the falling action? And then how is it resolved? What is the resolution of the story? If you need more reminders about what you're looking for and what specific examples are of those components, you can watch this video that I've attached, and I will go ahead and attach the link at the bottom as well, so you can have access to that video. So the assignment that we're going to be doing. So I want you guys to tell me about the plot of your book, the book that you guys have been working on and that you've been reading through. So you're going to have 3 different options to complete this assignment. You can use sequence cards that correspond to your book. You can show the plot through art, or you can tell the plot through writing. And I'll show you an example of what those assignments will look like. So over here, this is an example of what your sequence cards would look like. So the tortoise and the hare, you're going to arrange them in order, and the pictures in those sequence cards are going to tell us the plot of your book. And same for this worksheet. So you have the option to write or to draw, or you could do both. So you're going to think about those 5 things that I told you in the last slide. Think about them, and then you're going to either write sentences about them, or you're going to draw me pictures so you can tell me the plot of your story. So I know some of you guys have been reading some of these books, and so the books that you guys have been reading is what we're going to focus on. So I want you to think about the book you've reading, and what are the most important parts of your book? Do you remember who the main characters are, and what was the problem, and how did they find a solution to it? Those are things you need to remember about your book so you can tell us the plot of your story. And if you need help, don't worry. We are going to work through this together. Remember to read your book closely, and you can listen to your book as well as read it, and don't be afraid to ask for help. You can ask for help during class or in Google Classroom. Good luck!